Hi and welcome back to the channel. Today I will be breaking down the couple most used methods to make money off of a YouTube channel. There are tons of guides out there going over how to make some money on the side hustle jobs or passive income sources, things that you can do outside of your normal day job or your occupation to make some money on the side. Now, YouTube is often mentioned as one way that you can make some extra money. As you well know, there are a ton of channels and creators on YouTube, and a lot of the larger channels on YouTube make a decent chunk of change. But with that said, making money on YouTube is more than just making a video of something random, uploading that onto your channel and cutting that check every month. A lot of hard work comes into building up a brand and a YouTube channel, and there are different ways that you can monetize your channel. So we'll be taking a look at some of those methods today. Now, the first method is very straightforward: YouTube ads or Google AdSense. Once you're eligible to apply for the YouTube Partner Program, needing at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours, if your channel meets the certain criteria and your videos are eligible to be monetized, you can make money off of the ads that are run on your channel's videos. These ads can include the pre-roll videos, either skippable or non-skippable. Those are the ads that you see before each video. And you can also earn ad revenue from banner ads and other ads that are shown on the side of your video, not on the video, but either near the recommendations video on the right side or the bottom scroll bar if you're on desktop or mobile. Now, the amount of money you make from YouTube ad revenue depends on a metric called CPM, cost per miles. Now, this is about how much you get paid per 1,000 views. This metric will vary depending on the types of video that you produce, what your channel is about. For example, certain categories of videos will tend to earn more than other categories. Finance and education tends to be on the higher side, with gaming, prank channels being on the lower side. This number can range anywhere from $1 or $2 up to 15 or more on the higher end, and it really depends. And this is also not just the amount of views you get, it's the amount of monetized views, so viewers that either watch the ads for a certain duration or click or interact with these ads. And outside of purely ad monetization on your videos, YouTube has worked a lot in the past few years to give creators other avenues and sources of income through YouTube. One of these methods are channel memberships. Your viewers and subscribers can pay a certain amount to become a member of your channel, giving them access to certain perks or exclusive videos that you create for them. This feature is only available in certain regions and for channels with at least 30,000 subscribers. Another way to earn money through YouTube is when you're doing YouTube live streams. You can make money through super chat. Your viewers can pay a certain amount of money to get a highlighted message or a donation that pops up on the live chat section of your live stream. This is similar to Twitch messages, bits, or other donation-based revenue sources to help highlight messages or gain the streamer or content creator's attention during live. And the last source is kind of mixed between YouTube and external. It's selling merchandise. YouTube allows certain creators and channels that meet requirements to be able to link their merch store on their videos. You'll see a lot of the larger channels with merch stores have links built into their YouTube pages right below their videos. And some other ways that you can monetize your channel and your videos not through YouTube directly include things such as sponsored videos. This is most often seen through a product sponsorship where a creator works with a certain company or brand to promote either products or services through a video. This isn't necessarily a flat out ad for these products or services, but could be just a creator being paid to make a video highlighting that product and giving them a chance to give more viewers and their audience exposure to certain brands or products. I've heard of these brand deals ranging from $50 to $100 and up, depending on your channel topic, how big you are, and other factors. One thing I do want to warn creators about is to really look into these sponsorships and do some research into these sponsorships before you accept an offer. You don't want to be caught promoting scams or something that could reflect negatively on you do your research and thoroughly see what exactly is the product or service that they're paying you to promote, and think about if this is something that you would use yourself or something that you would buy without this sponsorship. If the answer to that question is yes, and it's a reputable company, then yeah, this could be a good idea to proceed with that sponsorship. But if it is something coming straight out of left field, you've never heard of this company, you don't know what the product is, and you would never use it yourself, I'd recommend staying away from that. The couple $100s that you're losing out is not worth the loss of reputation or potential scandals that could come out from you promoting scams or other shady businesses. This could have a lasting impact on you and your viewers. And another way to monetize your channel and your videos is through fan funding or donations from your viewers and followers. This could be setting up a Patreon or external donation website or a monthly subscription to give your viewers an opportunity to support you directly through monetary contributions. Content creators will offer extra perks in exchange for these contributions, for example, releasing behind the scenes footage or exclusive videos, or offering early access to certain content that you may publish on your main channel. Supporters here would get access to these videos before the general public does. And the last thing, affiliate marketing, has been talked about a lot, but what this is partnering up with brands or websites, promote certain products, and you get a cut of each purchase made through your link. This is often seen through Amazon affiliates or eBay affiliates, and individual companies or products have these as well. You'll most often see someone talk about a product or something they're using and attach an Amazon or product link in the description box below the video, and if you as a viewer are interested in the product, go click on that link and buy it. The creator usually gets a percentage of that purchase, and that's just extra revenue generated from the channel. And one last broad category of revenue streams from a YouTube channel is just pushing out products. We mentioned earlier with merchandise, pushing out your merchandise, or if you make or build certain items, you could sell those through your videos as well. Making a video about something that you make, explaining it, talking about it, and selling it to the viewers. A lot of people in the past have also done guides or ebooks that they can sell to their customers, or even courses on any topic imaginable that you have a passion in. You can sell those courses or those guides for money on the side. Now, this was a quick list of specific ways that you can monetize your YouTube channel. Let me know down in the comments below if I left anything out or if you have other suggestions that I didn't mention. And before we end this video, I kind of want to talk about what goes into creating a channel and some of the reasons that you would look into making a channel and some expectations that you should have before starting a channel. What I want to say is that if you're just starting out, this definitely should not be your only source of income. Unless you go viral right off the bat off a couple videos and get a massive following, you likely won't see any sort of monetary returns for a good while. This will also vary on the quality of your videos and what specific niche or topic that your channel covers. But for example, I have a smaller channel that I just upload gameplay videos for mobile games. Started it just over a year ago, and year to date I've seen about $20 or $30 from the channel just uploading those videos. So obviously this is not something that I can live off of. Like, I can't just quit my job and rely on that income. It's something that I kind of started out as a hobby, and seeing a couple dollars a day from that now is sort of like a nice bonus, a nice perk from that. Now, there are definitely a lot of channels out there that are huge, and we've all seen those videos of people breaking down how much money they make per month from YouTube, or how much money that they made from posting a video with 1 million views, or crazy numbers like that. But just know that that's not necessarily something that everyone can achieve. I don't want to discourage you, but also to just set realistic expectations. It takes a lot of time and dedication to build up to that and work up to that. And if that is something that you want to achieve, by all means, go for it. If it's something you're passionate in, if it's a hobby that you enjoy, videos or topics that you want to talk about, share your knowledge, go for it by all means. But it can be a very lengthy and process to work up to that point. I mentioned it before, but I really think you should be doing it for the right reasons. A hobby that you love, things that you don't mind talking about, love to share your knowledge with the world. And by being creative and entertaining, that will really push through to your viewers and allow you to build up a community and build up followers who are interested in your content. If it's something that you don't even care about and you're making videos just to try to make some money, that's gonna be very hard on both you and your viewers. You know, if someone doesn't really know what they're talking about or seem disinterested and don't care about the topic, people are more likely to shut it off and move on to someone that really is passionate and cares about what they're talking about. So these were just a few quick thoughts from me. If you have anything else, let me know down in the comments below. If you thought this video was useful and helpful, give it a like. Stay subscribed as always to the channel, making more videos and guides to help you guys out there. But that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching. Peace.